So, welcome Scorpio. So, Scorpio, mga kapatid kong Scorpio, fellow Scorpio. September 1 to 7. Welcome po sa Scorpworks Tarot, mga OFW friends, mga sumusubaybay sa aking channel. Yes, another weekend. Pahinga po ang mga OFW. Hope everybody's okay. So, ingat po. Iingat po tayong lahat. Relax. So hopefully maganda yung last week natin. Busy pa rin po kami sa trabaho sa office. So sa mga na hindi nakakaalam, OFW po ako dito sa Indonesia. So shout out po kayo kung nasaan kayong bansa. Magkape-kape tayo through my channel. So hopefully I can share some insight or even change perspective or give some perspective. Scorpio, September 1 to 7. Tignan ko, excited din ako kapag Scorpio yung binabasa ko. Medyo tugmang-tugma yung Actually, even dun sa isang account ko sa social media. So, meron akong binabasang for other sign. Parang ako yung pinagsasabihan. Yes, Scorpio. Tignan natin ang energy ni Scorpio. Scorpio. September 1 to 7. Happy family. Yan ang gusto natin. Yan ang gusto ko. Maraming pera, of course, pambayad at pang-retirement. Gusto ko, ito rin yung gusto natin. Gusto ko rin ito. Quiet place. Kung meron akong pera, a house malapit sa dagat. Scorpio, water sign. Gusto natin yan. Matahimik. Yung alon sa hapon maririnig mo. And quiet. Yeah. Pero kasi nga alam natin yung pinanggalingan natin, yung deep hole, black hole na yan. Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? Pinagsisintiran ang nakaraan. Pinagsisintir ang nakaraan na natapon yung tatlong cups. It's an energy of regret. Energy of regret related sa family. Meron bang divorce na nangyari? Scorpio, September 1 to 7. Oops. Merong house-related issue or issue related sa office. It's either kunin ko siya sa interpretation ng Five of Cups. There was nakaraang regret, past regret. Ang regret can be related to the foundation. Yung dating masaya nawala. Yes, again, work both ways. Or you already after the grieving stage of that loss, you finally found your mojo. Yung tipong, okay, natanggal sa trabaho, that's how it is, pinanghinayangan. Yan, nangyari din sa akin yan. And you need to move forward to the next chapter. This is a transformation. Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? Or nasa stage ka na naka-recover ka na, or you're still in the stage of grieving? Tignan natin kung ano ang angulo na ito. Scorps. Okay? Scorps Work Tarot. Yun ang title ng aking channel. Oops. Sandali. Magulo itong camera. Yes. So, yeah, shout out po tayo. Lumipad. Nasaan na siya? Yeah. Mahirap din po lang gumawa ng YouTube channel, mga kapatid. Wala po akong special ng mga makinarya. Ito, telepono ko lang yung ginagamit ko. At saka mumurahing mikropono. Nakatali siya sa lampshade. Ayun ikaw yung provider. Ikaw yung foundation. Or merong dumating sa iyo na opportunity. Work several ways ito. After that regret, loss, and then there's the opportunity came in. Or you are the provider and you just help somebody. Okay? So, it works both way. So, Scorpio, ikaw itong receiving at the same time, or ikaw itong nasa receiving. Ano ba yung opposite nun? Yung nag-offer and you just made somebody happy, maybe another fellow Scorpio or something, and kasi merong may effect yung reward na yun yung being a Scorpio as well. So yung very, very altruistic yan you find that yung solid ng the fact na tumulong ka, you don't expect anything in return. You don't even ask for recognition. That's a true essence of yung pagtulong. Hindi to skin deep or superficial na kailangan mong ilagay sa publication. Yan, that also makes you grounded at the same time. Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? So, somebody, kunin ko yung angulo ng nasaktan si Scorpio dito. That's why you're moving away. Otherwise, madaming scenario siya Scorpio, tignan natin. You're moving to a happy home. Another home. Again, okay, this one is not for everybody. Hindi allow kasi bilang sa ating relihiyon yung diborsyo. Again, ba't ko ba sinabing diborsyo? Separation. Ano na lang yung nag-split kayo ng ng partner mo before. Liberated naman ang mga Pilipino, although not all, conservative pa rin. So, meron ng I'm not encouraging it. So, again, you live together and then there was a separation because one of you or both of you, Scorpio, meron kayong commitment also in outside of this lumitaw yung 7 of Swords. Okay, on denial kayo or on denial ka or kumakalat na yung chismis. Meron bang ganyan? Ay, tagal kong sinapal yung card 7 of Swords. Very sneaky. Is that relationship a sneaky type of relationship? Scorpio? Is sneaky, okay? So, alam na natin yan kung ano yung, what I say, sneaky. Kuha ko lang ako ng itong card ko. Knock, knock, Scorpio. Scorpio, knock, 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 Scorpio. Nagkakaroon ka ng nightmare. Nagkakaroon ka ng nightmare. Bakit? So, yung element noong yung mojo mo na nandyan pa rin or parang nawala. Nawala yung passion. Or, again, something is coming na nagkaroon ka ng passion dun sa isa na yon. Is this something na how do you call it, relationship na alam na natin yan. And you found another one. Or is that what you're looking for? Is it worthy na ipaglaban? Or merong nag-offer sa'yo ng another love? Okay. You found somebody or one of the partner found somebody else. It can work both ways. And marami akong nakitang taong involved. May few people involved here. Somebody who also have, I can see here yung personality, noong character, somebody who is grounded. Scorpio is a water sign. Somebody who got attracted to you or you got attracted to them. It can be homewrecker, something. And you entertain that. Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? Tinignan ko lang yung card. Pero meron kang iniingatan sa past. Or yung past na yun, naka-move on ka na. Or papunta ka pa lang doon because you're thinking na this one will give you that happiness. Kung it's a failed relationship in the past, the second one, meron kang yung definition ng hinahanap mo, bullseye. Yeah, I think I know it. Ito, being have the same Scorpio instinct also. Medyo malalim kasi tayong maghanap eh. And strong tayo sa when we ito na naman yung heartache. Pinutol mo na. Puputulin mo na. Ready ka na to move on. Ayan, nakita mo na yung nasa likod niya. So there was regret. There was pain. Ay, di ko na ikwento itong alam mo na ito, Scorpio. There was pain. And you need to separate. You just want to, gusto mo nang, napagod. Sabihin natin napagod. Pero solid pa rin yung if it's a separation, the first family, you feel they're happy. You still want to have that connection. Hindi mo abandon or something. You nandun ka pa rin. Itong second one, kung meron ka mang second, it's the first one, itinago mo yata eh. And then you just realize na ito na, this would be the one who, na liwanag sa iyong liwanag sa iyong umaga. Meron ba ganyan, Scorpio? Ganyan ng Scorpio, pag nagmahal. So, you don't question anything. Alam mo yung hinahanap mo. Mas maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. Oh, merong mga butiki. Sorry. Yan. Nag-agree yata yung lizard dito sa Kisame. Yeah, Scorpio, meron bang ganyan? So, September 1 to 7. So, kung ano man yung patutunguhan mo na yon, it's solid. Wala kang question sa emotion mo. You know what you're feeling. I think ayaw mo na rin ng snakiness. Tapos na yung stage ng snakiness, yung pagiging snaky, kung itinatago yan. Kasi nga nasaktan ka. Meron kang sakit na nasaktan or ito yung nakasakit sa'yo. You know? So, either way, i-check natin kung ano magre-resonate and you're moving to the sun. So this is a sana all. It's not for everybody yung angle na yon, because there was pain and separation. So, but yeah, na in love ka eh. And that would make you happy. Nakita mo na siya. Yung hinahanap mo, kung hinahanap mo, nakita mo na siya. Yaan na yaan. So, Scorpio, September 1 to 7, kuha tayo ng isang oracle card. Tignan natin. Tignan natin kung ano yung message ng moon for September. Scorpio. Kuha tayo. Isa lang. Okay. Tingnan mo ha, walang hocus-pocus. Alam mo yung bumagsak, yung sarili mong moon. Tingnan ko lang kung ma-focus. Focus. Okay. Negative, ano ba sinasabi dito? Negative attitude and fiery arguments are possible at this time. Channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Okay? So, maingat din ako sa pagsasalita minsan. Lalo sa opisina, not everybody can take yung Scorpio minsan na natin, lalo pag pagod. Lalo kapag if you're in this situation na there was regret and stressful. So, yeah, I think need natin to. Negative attitude. Yeah. Napofocus ba? Can you read this? Yeah. Negative attitude and fiery arguments are possible at this time. Channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Yeah, mag-shopping muna. Yes. So, yeah, this is a lovely reading, Scorpio. Sana all. So, September 1 to 7, I look forward to this sun. Here comes the sun. Yeah? So, salamat, Scorpio. Have a great week and see you again.